I don't know which track you're on, but there is a Glitch plugin on that. What is that?
Shaker.
Shaker. What is that Glitch plugin?
Oh, Glitch is my favorite plugin in the world. It basically is just like glitch sounds that you can mess around with. So these are like all the different things you can do. And pretty much it's just like any standard grid. You can put in, I want this effect here, want this here. And so to spice up some drums, I like to throw like subtle glitch on it. So it's like without glitch, this shaker would be pretty like straightforward. But then if you throw glitch on it, that sort of straightforward rhythm gets kind of choppy. It just adds a lot of life to your percussion. Like it makes it feel less, I don't want to say robot-y, because like adding glitches is like making it robot-y, but like, you know, it makes it sound less like mechanical, I guess would be, I don't even know if that's a good word for it. It just makes it feel more alive, you know?
Yeah, exactly.